What's up guys, Jordan here with Objective-C Tutorials Lesson 27, Understanding the Main Function. And before we start off this lesson, let me just go ahead and say that this is not a very in-depth lesson about the main function. I'm just going to be going over what the arguments of the main function actually mean. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the lesson. Before we get to the main function though, we have to understand one thing, that arrays can be used as arguments in C. And how you would do this is you just have to create a function, already have a function. In this case, we have void some function, and then you specify that the argument is an array. So you have the type and then arg with the brackets, so you know that it's an array. And this function would accept an argument that is an array of ints. So pretty straightforward there. Now that we understand arrays and that arrays can be used as arguments, I can go through what these arguments of the main function actually mean. So very quick refresher, of course you already know this, but this is a function called main of type int. Remember that main marks the entry point of a program. Now on to the new stuff. First we have a variable, and this variable is argc, and this is an int variable that is short for argument count, and this contains the number of arguments passed to the program. Now the next thing, we have argv, and we know that's an array because it has the brackets there and everything, and this is a one-dimensional array of strings which stands for argument vector, and its type is char or character, since it's an array of strings, and it's also a constant, so it can't be changed. And we went over constants in lesson 7, so you can go back and review over them if you need to. But anyways, that's all for this lesson. If you want more information about what exactly you can do with this, just go ahead and Google that. I'm sure I think there's a Wikipedia page about it. There's lots of information on the main function and everything, but I just didn't feel like it was really necessary to go over a lot about the main function, because we're not going to be needing to know a lot about it, because this is one of our last lessons referring and about really the C part of Objective-C. There's a lot of just base level C in Objective-C, but from now on we're going to be focusing mainly on the object oriented part of Objective-C. So anyways, that's all for this lesson. If you want more information, just Google it. And next lesson, going to be jumping back into object oriented part of Objective-C, like I said. So check me out on Twitter and Facebook to get the latest updates when I upload my latest videos, and also likes and subscribes and comments are greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in my next video real soon. Thanks for watching.